Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Labradorite water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'm going to be using for the water marble are from the Color Club Oil Slick collection. The lightest blue is Frostbite. Then this kind of turquoisey blue is called Hooked. This royal blue is Rhythm and Blues. And then this is Cash Only, which I know picks up very gold on camera, but does have some blue in the duochrome. And for my base color, I'm going to be using Holo Taco One Coat Black. I went ahead and protected around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape, and now I'm going to go ahead and start building my bullseye. As usual, I have a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water, and I'm going to begin with one round of each color 1 drop, and then another round of each color 2 drops. Once your bullseye is complete, you can go in with your orange stick and draw up to the top and then down to the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw from side to side pretty much some very thin chevrons, aiming for kind of a striped design. Once you have your design drawn, you can go ahead and dip in your nails. I'm going to be dipping 3 nails at a time, and I'm going to put the stripes at a slight angle. Go ahead and line up and then dip right in. With your orange stick, clean up the excess polish around the edges. Of course, there won't be too much because most of it is on your nails, but you don't want any of that excess to stick on your design and ruin it. Once the surface is clean, you can slowly pull your nails out, and there's your water marble. I like to use a pair of tweezers to help me remove my protection. It's personal preference, of course. Just go ahead, get a grip, and then carefully peel it off. Once I've finished all my nails, I'll go in and finish cleanup close around the edges with a small brush dipped in acetone. I went ahead and pressed flat the bubbles that I had before applying top coat, and that's so that the top coat doesn't pop them. If they pop, then you'll have the base color peeking through, which you don't want. Now that I've finished that, I'm going to finish everything off with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. It wasn't initially inspired by Labradorite, but once I did the testing, I knew it reminded me of something, and it eventually dawned on me what it was. I'll include a little picture up in the corner for those of you who may be unfamiliar with that gemstone, and I'd love to hear if you agree with me that it's very reminiscent of that. If you'd like to check out the extended tutorial for this, that will be posted here on YouTube in the next few days. If you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this tutorial, and if you enjoyed, I hope you leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.